All right, guys, so what we're doing here, we're going to be installing the drum now. We already did the tub hub bushing. That's already installed. Make sure you clean your drum as you have it out. And what we're going to do, clean the rest of your machine as well. Go ahead and clean it all nicely. And what we're going to be doing now is putting the drum back in. Now, the issue a lot of guys are having when it's time to install, or I should say keep the bushing in, it keeps coming out. So my method is the one you need, and what it's going to do is going to allow you to be able to slide the drum onto the shaft, and it's going to be kept in place. Now, it's a little unconventional, but it works. So right now we're putting on the old tub hub. Go ahead and use it, because what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to keep the bushing from riding up. Otherwise, it's not going to seat. Now, the way we're going to seat it, we're going to install the hub over the bushing, and then we're going to lift the basket, set it on to the shaft, and you will see how we seat it. All right, that's the method. It works 140%. All right. All right, let me finish this up. Next thing we'll be do is sliding this thing in, and we're going to change this one as well. This is only to keep your bushing in as you slide it down. Make sure you snug it nicely. You do not want that bushing coming out. It's going to be pushing against the tub hub. And also coat the shaft with something, even dish soap. It helps. All right. All right, so we got our hub on, and we're just gonna have to wiggle it on. So it's pretty tight. That's what I was explaining. So now you're gonna have to do this, and if you didn't have the tub hub, it would slide right on out. I do have something underneath the transmission to support the weight, so now I'm gonna climb in and step on it and slide it on down. It needs to go down some more. We need to be able to see the shaft sticking out. All right, so now you're in. Rotate. Okay, I think we slid down somewhat. There we go. All right, that's what we need, guys. It requires some effort. And it's not just going to slide on down. It's a super tight fit. All right, so she's on. nice and tight. We're not tightened up yet, but look, no play. Okay. All right, so we're gonna change the tub hub, put a new one on. That's for another day, long night. So, but now you know what to do with the rest of that. Then you put your wash blade on, and this job is done. All right, you see how that is seated nicely? That's how you want it to be. All right, now it's time to put on the new tub hub.